Hi there, what's up momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Momshi Armidi, a Filipina mom living in Dresden, Germany. For today's vlog, we are going to unbox again, try and make an honest review of a product which we really need this winter. This season, indoor air can be very dry due to the heating systems. That's why a humidifier gives moisture to the air, making it more comfortable to breathe and reducing the irritations caused by dryness. So what are we waiting for? I'm super excited about this because it's super huge. Let's unbox this humidifier from Lacidoll for big rooms. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Los kids!
The huge humidifier from Lacidoll comes with a sponge for cleaning, a user guide or manual, and a remote control. Safety precautions are written at the back of the humidifier. You can also find the oil tray in this area. Now, let's open the top part of the humidifier. Here you can find the UV sterilization, the water pump, and the mist tube. Remove the plastic cover of the water pump. Put everything back and close the decorative lid. Make sure the water pump is inside the water tank and the cable plug outside. Remove the steam nozzle. Attach the tube and turn it clockwise until it is firmly attached to the lid. Fill it with water without removing the lid and directly to the water tank. Do not allow the water to enter the steam outlet. As you can see, the water goes directly to the tank. Everything is dry. Now let's plug it in and let's see how the magic works.
So now let's try how to operate our humidifier. So just press the power button here at the middle, and it will show you the room temperature in Fahrenheit, 75, so it's around 22 degrees Celsius. And here max min, it means here 1 is the setting of the humidity, so we're in setting number 1. So for setting number 1, the mist is like this. So let's try the number 2. Number 2 is actually, I think it's better for our room or our apartment since it's around 80 square meters. And I'm just using it here in the living room for around maybe 20 square meters. So let's try the number 3 setting. So you can see that there's really a lot of smoke coming out. This is the moisture that we really need. So right now it says 49% of humidity. Actually, the advisable humidity is around 40 to 60%. So we're actually right there. We're good. But we will try another setting, the turbo, which is number 4. So what's gonna be the mist effect? There's so much coming out right now. Look at that. You can also see it going. We don't need the turbo because like what I said, we're just here in the living room. So I think I'm gonna use number 2. Then let's try the rest of the buttons here. So okay, so the humidity is that you can set your own. So it's set to 40. I'm gonna set it to I think 60. Yeah. So it will not stop till it reaches the 60% of humidity. So it's 51, it's gonna go up to 60, and then when it's reached 60, it's gonna stay there, and every time it's gonna automatically set to 60. So that's what I UV. So it's like added protection. This is good for babies and small kids like our babies. The very big babies, 2 years old and 4 years old. So it's added additional protection. So it's like double filter. Yung UV protection. And also good for senior citizens and sensitive people. And this sleep, you can set it for sleeping. Like here, you can see now that it's zit. So everything is blacked out. Okay, of course the timer. Let's check out the timer. So you can set a timer up to, let's check it, 12. So 12 maximum. So once you set the timer, then it will automatically stop to the set time. But we're not gonna use it for the moment. So it hasn't reached the 60% that I set a while ago. So now it's in 52 and it's still working. And of course it has a fan betino or a remote control. So let's check if we can do it here, if it's working. So I press the sleep button and now it's in sleep button. So it's working. The UV, alright. It says there, and let's turn it off. The timer, okay. And for the setting, maximum 3 and then turbo. Okay, so just because it's gonna put it back to number 2. So everything is working fine with the remote. It's in 54 now, so let's try the maximum, the turbo. Maybe it's gonna go faster if we use this one. So let's try on the essential oil. I haven't really used this, especially in a humidifier. So let's check out how it works here in our Lacidoll humidifier. So here at the back of the humidifier, you can just actually press it and then this will open. But we are not allowed to put it directly here. So first, we need a small tissue or cloth like this one. So I prepared it already and it fits perfectly here in this small rack. So let's just put a little bit of essential oil to this paper towel and then put it back, and let's see if it's gonna have the effect that we wanted. It's actually lavender, good for sleeping. So I'm gonna try. It's a little bit too much, but let's see if it's gonna work here. Ang bango niya! I can really smell the scent of the lavender and orange. This is our aroma for tonight. I can definitely sleep better. And by the way, it reached already the 60% of humidity. So it's gonna stop from there. It's not gonna go up because we set it up to 60 degrees, up to 60%. And then it's still 73 Fahrenheit or around 22 degrees Celsius. So perfect na perfect for our night. So I'm going to try to set it into 12 hours. So when the kids wake up, then they will see this. They're gonna have lots of fun. And also, it is actually mostly for their health purposes, because they always have this dry skin and also dry throat because of the sensitivity of the surroundings, because it's kind of really feeling dry because of the air that's coming from the heater, because you know, we Filipinos, we don't like it cold, so probably just me. So that's why the heater is always on, so it has tendency to dry our skin. So I'm gonna set it to 12 hours. By the way, it will automatically stop if you don't have any more water, or it's gonna tell you that you need to refill water. It's gonna turn red here, the one you saw in the beginning. So it's set to 12 hours. Let's see tomorrow if it's still working. This is how the automatic setting works. So you don't have to worry if you think that there's not enough moisture. It will automatically count for you. But since I think 60 is so much, so I'm gonna try just the 50. Yeah, 50. So I'm gonna set it to 50 and I'm just gonna leave it there at 50. So it stopped working because right now we're in 60 humidity. Hello. Look, there's still 1 hour left for our timer from last night. Honestly, I really like this product because it gives you maximum protection because of the UV with LED light, especially for babies and the elderly, and then for sensitive people like me. I also really like the automatic setting, so you don't have to worry that you need to set it again. So it automatically counts for you, so you don't have to worry. And especially the timer is until 12 hours, so you can definitely set it, for example, when you're at home for 12 hours, set it up and just, you know, just plug it and then you don't worry about it. And also the 60 liter is quite huge, so huge capacity. So 16 liters, it means that you don't have to refill the water tank if you make it full once for 60 hours. So that's quite a long period of time, and especially this is for huge rooms up to 100 square meters. You can definitely use it for your offices, and then if you have lots of plants, it will help your plants to maintain its beauty, especially during winter. So it's just a little bit bothering me, the Fahrenheit, but actually it's not such a big deal because I'm used to Celsius. So you just convert it and it's like 22 degrees around there, the 73 degrees Fahrenheit. So I really also like the this rack at the back to put on your essential oils, and plus this one is a great factor for me that you don't have to sit down to refill the water. It's very easy, you know. You have an option. You can just refill here or at the sprout here inside, or the easiest way, just refill here here on top. And it's very easy to manage, and it's very elementary. I mean, I myself, this is not even techie, and I was able to did it all by myself to operate this. And here, it's also very easy to clean it. Just use a clean cloth, or they even have a provided sponge. So, and all the instructions are very clear, so you can never go wrong. So I can definitely suggest it now for winter time, especially this season. And if you haven't ordered this, then you can order it via Amazon. Love videos like this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching, and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!